Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Drawing to create a math activity around, let's do volume of a rectangular prism for grade 6, and then also how to use your Google Classroom to send out to your students. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new Google Drawing. I'm going to change the title. We'll just call it volume quickly. I'm going to make this a little bit larger so the students have a bit more of a workspace. Then what I'm going to do is find an image in Tools, Research, Images, and make sure I find a free to share image. I'm going to use Fish Tank so the students can find the volume of the fish tank. I'm going to use this one here, nice and easy, simple. You could use a regular image found up here if you'd like, but this just makes it a little more visually appealing for the students. So now that I've got my fish tank chosen, I'm going to click on line here. I'm going to just kind of outline this here. So it's hard to see. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to change the line color to red. And it's still hard to see, so I'm going to actually make it 12 points. So now you can see that there's a line there. So now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a line back here along the bottom here. And then I'm going to draw one along here. So students have now their three lines, their areas, or their lengths and widths that they're going to help them find the the volume in this fish tank. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a text box here. Again, change it to red so it sticks out. And make it a little bit bigger as well. We'll make it bold, and we'll make this, let's say it's 30 meters. Or sorry, let's make it 80 centimeters. 30 meters would be a little too large. And to make it easy for myself, I just like to go copy and paste this twice. So all I have to do is change the number. I don't have to go through all the same thing about making new text boxes, new color. So let's make this 40 centimeters. I'll drag the other one over. Let's make this 20 centimeters. So then now all I need to do is put the formula in here for them. So again, I'll make it a little bit larger. Volume equals length times width times height. And then now we've got the volume set up there to blast out to the students using Google Classroom. So that's the first part of the task. Now, what we need to do is go into our Google Classroom. So I'm going to click on my grade 6 class. It's right here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a assignment. I just go volume, question. I can give them instructions, complete the question within the drawing. And then I want to make sure I add the Google Drawing. So okay, volume, and we search. And there it is there, and you want to make a copy for each student. And then you just assign it, and it'll blast it out to their own Google Classroom and put it in their Google Drive for them to solve, and then for you to check.